Look at all the orders I have received today. The canteen owner's son is very interested in the universe and wants a luminous planet lamp. 3D printed planet lamp, not a big problem. Then build a 3D model of the Earth first. For DIY painting, children can draw it based on the raised outline.
Yeah, boy.
Modeling done. Let's go into printing. Look at this texture. The final effect is good. Color it. The main colors of the Earth are green, blue, and white. First, paint the ocean blue. Then, the polar white. Okay, finally done. Let the canteen owner son try it. Oh, bottom cover. Fix the light. Install it. Let's go to a dark place to see the lighting effect. Not bad. Send it to the canteen owner. Oh, this is so nice. The ocean, it direct transfer me 500 yuan to make sure to have a sense of ceremony. Friends in the comment area, do you have any 3D printing needs for DIY painting? As you voice in the comment area. When this video has 100 comments and likes, hope you draw a lucky friend and offer free printing.
记得点赞关注哦。